Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and today I'm going to show you an essential oil hack. When you have empty bottles, most people hate to throw them away. I am among those people. I have lots of empties, and I just cringe when I think about throwing them away because there's always a little bit left in the bottom. This is Purify from doTERRA. This is one of my favorite things to diffuse in our home. It just smells fresh and clean, and it cleans the air as it diffuses. So I love this one, and I'm not letting those drops go to waste. So today I'm going to show you what I do. So here I have some water in just a glass measuring cup. This is water from our Berkey. I'm going to throw the lid in here, make sure it submerses. I've got the cap I'm going to throw in here, and then the bottle. You want to make sure this fills up with water. Because of density, as the water goes into the bottle, the oils will rise to the top. And you can put different oils in here. You could mix like lavender and peppermint. You could mix anything you want. I like to put the lid in there as well because usually there is plenty of oil in that. And then you have water to put in your diffuser. So this is the diffuser in my living room. I'm just going to pour some of that water in here, and I'm going to diffuse this all afternoon. You can see the oil on the top. There's plenty in here just from emptying that empty bottle. And there you have it. Super easy. I know I got all of the oil out of my bottle. I'm not wasting anything. You don't want to throw your money away with empty bottles. And I put enough water in this that I have enough for 2 uses. And I can still see plenty of oil on the top, so I can use it twice, run it in 2 different diffusers in my home and not waste anything. So I hope this helps you guys out. If you are using oils, you don't want to waste any of that. If you'd like more tips like these, go to Freedom Essentials over on Facebook. It is the sister group to Freedom Makers. You can find it that way. And we'd be happy to have you in there and share some more essential oil hacks and recipes. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!